So within Zoho inventory, we can record the warehouses, but we can also go a little bit more granular. So imagine a busy warehouse with thousands of products. It needs an organised bin location so that you can reduce the time to find the items. So we know that each product has a specific spot, making it quick and easy to find. So what we need to do is within our warehouse, we need to find a bin. So what we can do here is we can go to our warehouses, and we can click here, and we've got our bin locations that have been set up, our zones. So we have our three. Now all of these are default, they come in. So we have a default zone, we have a receiving zone, and we have a packaging zone. We can import more bins from clicking up here, should you need to have more bins within each area. Now, within these, what we can do is it will tell you the stock of hand of each bin. We can edit this so that it can tell us that it is the loading bay, for instance. And we know that it's got a status as active. This is telling us in our loading bay, we have 74,546 stock on hand. Now we might want to see, well, what is this actually relating to? If we go back into inventory and we go to reports, there is a report called the bin locations. So this is where we can create a custom field, custom report, sorry, for custom dates. And we can go, I just want it on my warehouse name, it's got to be head office, and I want to hit run report. So this gives us the breakdown of that loading bay, which we called the bin. It's active, and then this gives us all the quantities of goods that come in and out during this date range. And then if we summed all these up, we would get the balance that appeared in that previous